Hi Crazy Crafters and welcome back to our channel. And welcome back to Garden Theme. Today we are going to make a flower pot marker. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are a clean wine cork, a fork, and a permanent marker. What you're going to do is, with your permanent marker, you're going to write your word on the wine cork. And today I'm just going to write smile on this one. And you write it as neatly as you can, and whatever kind of writing you want to do, cursive for printing. You can do any kind of words that you want to use. Smile, be happy, be kind, or you can do herbs like basil, parsley, anything that's going to fit what you need it for. And then what you do is, with your wording, you're just going to turn that about a quarter of a turn, and then you're going to take your fork with the prongs facing up, curling up, and you're going to hold it and hold the wine cork with the other hand, and then just kind of press gently. You might have to rock it back and forth a little bit and use a little bit of force to get the prongs to go into the cork, like that. You don't need them to go too far in order for it to stay. Just enough so it's sturdy on there.
And that is how you make a flower pot marker. As you can see, it looks really cute in a flower pot. Thanks Crazy Crafters for tuning in. If you like this craft, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. See you next time. Bye!